morning. It is Wednesday, March 13th, and I'm doing my oatmeal. So I thought I'd share how I cook my oatmeal, and I will show you the ingredients I use. Okay, so I put in my oats, half a cup, and it's usually a steel cut organic type of oat. And then I put a little teaspoon of hemp seed, and then I add a sprinkle cinnamon, a little bit of probably a teaspoon or teaspoon and a half of vanilla, and then sometimes I'll add a little pumpkin spice, and it really gives the oatmeal some flavor. And then at the end I put in the wild blueberries. Okay, I am back home for lunch, and I have some different foods to show you. Okay, so we're gonna do a salad today with tomatoes and avocado, kiwi, and some more cantaloupe. Kiwi and cantaloupe are so good for your skin, and actually kiwi will help with digestion. So if you have an upset stomach, this could be a good thing for you to eat. But yeah, that's gonna be my lunch, and then I will share dinner soon. Oh, and then I wanted to mention, gotta get my hand out of the film there. Well, I can tell that I feel lighter, so that's a good feeling. And I did take some before pictures, so at the end of this journey I'll do the before and after pictures. Okay, I just got done making my dinner, and here it is. So I steamed some asparagus and then fried up some onion to go with it. And then I've got our avocado, salmon, sweet potato, and that's going to be my dinner. And then later I'm going to have just a few cantaloupe. So I did have some green tea today also, and then I'm just going to have water with my dinner. And then I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. It is Thursday, and it is March 14th, and this is going to be the first day of my high protein 3-day meal plan. So today I'm going to do egg whites with the rest of my salmon, and so I'll show you what I'm doing here. So yeah, I'm just sauteing some peppers, onions, and mushrooms, and I'm going to add my broccoli, and I'm going to have some greens in there. So I'm going to saute those for a little bit. And then I'm going to add the salmon and egg whites, and today I'm going to put in a little bit of cheese. Okay, so this is the egg whites that I like to use. And then I just used a little bit of just a regular Fiesta blend of cheese. I'm not putting that much in there. And then this is what I will put in my container to take for breakfast. So I usually eat an hour after I've been awake. I don't generally eat right when I wake up. I usually just drink water and take my vitamins. So yeah, here is my egg white scramble with broccoli and a little bit of cheese, salmon, some peppers, onions, and mushrooms. So this will be my first meal for today. Well, I am back home for my lunch, and today, since I'm not being as strict, I'm gonna have my favorite cup of coffee and a Ezekiel muffin with just a tad of butter. And so I'll show you the Ezekiel muffin that I like to eat. It's just amazing. So these Ezekiel muffins with the cinnamon raisin, I toast them. They're just awesome. And then I'll just put on a little bit of this organic butter. And then my coffee, I am finishing up this, which I know is not the greatest, but I just put a little bit in. And yeah, I'm gonna have my coffee and my muffin. That's one of my favorite little meals. So anyway, this morning I had the egg whites. The egg whites were really good. So I know you might think that my portions are really small, but they are probably bigger than what you see in the video. And depending on the person, if you need more calories, just eat bigger portions. So you can always do that to fill yourself up. Okay, and I will share my dinner later today. I'm waiting for my last client here at the gym, so I'll be eating dinner a little bit later. So I brought an apple and walnuts for my snack. So I just wanted to let you know what I ate for a snack, and yeah. Okay, I just got home and I've been making my dinner, which tonight I had a client give me some elk. So I am cooking up some elk, and I'm gonna have a salad with just a little bit of berries, raspberries, and then I'm gonna have a half a avocado. And so I'm gonna show you the steak. It turned out pretty good. So here's the steak, the elk steak, and I'm only gonna eat one, and then I'll have one for tomorrow. Okay, so my salad is avocado and some olives, black olives, and a little bit of a strawberry, just a couple of those to finish those off. And then I'm gonna have steak and the rest of the half a avocado. And then I might have some cantaloupe too later. But this will probably fill me up. I know it doesn't look like much, but it's a pretty good sized bowl, so it is a good amount of salad. So yeah, so far I like how my body is changing and it's tightening up. And then I'm gonna weigh myself in the morning. I'm gonna get the scale out. I didn't have time this morning, so I will for sure do that. And then I probably should measure myself because that really helps. But I like doing the before pictures because then you can really see how the skin tightens up, and your number on the scale might not move, but you'll feel like, okay, I am losing body fat, which is what we want. We don't want to lose muscle. So anyway, I will be filming again in the morning. Okay, bye. Good morning. It's Friday, the 15th of March, and I am going to do a smoothie today. So I'm going to go out to the kitchen and show you all the ingredients that I'm using. It'll be nice to have a smoothie. I really enjoy that when I have a lot of ice. I think that makes a smoothie really good. And yeah, so let me show you what I use for my smoothies. Okay, so I use this plant-based organic protein, and I'm gonna do a scoop of chocolate with a scoop of peanut butter. And then I do a tablespoon of whipping cream with the water. And then I'm gonna add some mixed berries and some water. And I have a little banana in there too. So that will be a really great smoothie, and that's gonna be my breakfast today. I'm on my way to work, and I forgot to tell you, I weighed myself this morning. I lost 3 pounds, and I do like how my skin is starting to tighten up a little bit. So, so far so good. And I got my smoothie here. Whoops. My smoothie and my Superwoman cup. And so I'm on my way to work. Hello, I'm home for lunch, and today I'm going to have a tuna fish wrap. And so I'll show you the wrap I like to use. So here's a flat out light original, only 60 calories and 5 carbs, 6 grams of protein. So it's a good one. And I put my tuna fish in it, and I'm gonna finish the tuna fish, have some cantaloupe, and then my wrap and some water. So that'll be my lunch today. Hi everybody, I am here home. Just got done cooking my dinner, and I will show you what I'm eating today, which you kind of know it's an elk steak. I also got pretty hungry, and so before dinner I had a little bar that I get at the natural food store, and it's really good. So let me show you that wrapper. So this is Nellie's peanut butter coconut, organic, Whole Foods, covered in dark chocolate, and it is really good. It's just like having a chocolate treat without you know, any bad ingredients. So let's see the ingredients here. Yeah, it just has really good ingredients. You know, organic, let's see, organic peanut butter, peanuts, rice, coconut, organic raw pumpkin seeds. I mean, it's just really, really good. And then this is my dinner. I steamed up the elk steak in a skillet, and I put some leftover olives on it, my sweet potato, good portion of broccoli, and I had just a little bit that was good for my avocado, and I've ate some of that. But on my broccoli, I found this seasoning, and so I thought I would try it. And I haven't tried it yet, but it seems like it'd be a good one for veggies. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and have a, what's it called? Twister. So I'm gonna have this Twist Up lemon lime soda. But I just like a carbonated little lime drink once in a while, so I can tell my metabolism is getting revving up because I'm getting more hungry. So that's good and can be kind of bad. But tomorrow, a good friend of mine wants to meet for lunch. So I will show you what I have when I go out, which a good idea is to look at the menu beforehand and decide before you get there. And then that way you don't get tempted. So anyway, look forward to sharing that with you, and take care. I forgot to film an ending to the 3-day full days of eating, so I'm doing it now. And I'd really appreciate if you guys would subscribe and like the video, and leave a comment. If you have any questions, let me know what they are, and I will answer them. And then the other thing I wanted to mention is I'm going to do 2 more days of filming, which I already did actually. So this is a new week, and so far I'm doing really good. My body just keeps tightening up. And today I got a great compliment from my banker. She says, "Oh my God, you look so amazing. I want to go to the gym now." And I thought, wow, that's a nice compliment. It really made me feel good. So anyway, yeah, and then the other thing I wanted to mention about doing foods that don't cause any inflammation. If anybody suffers from arthritis or joint pain, you're going to feel some relief from eating these foods. And I've seen it happen. And so it's pretty amazing what food can do for your health. So, yeah, I'll be posting the other 2 days, and then I'll also add how I'm doing this week. I'm probably going to weigh tomorrow, which is Wednesday. And so I'll let you guys know in that following video how I'm doing.